Welcome to my CVS haul. I am so excited for my haul, you guys. Like, I haven't been this happy in a very long time. It feels like the old me, you know, couponing at CVS like 2 or 3 years ago. I just absolutely loved today's shopping trip. So yeah, so everything, the whole store was completely empty pretty much. You know, people are here and there. Then when I get to the register, I swear every single person decided to go to the register at the same time. And there's only one employee working. But my store recently just got a self-checkout, but I don't want to do a self-checkout on it. But I just, you know, I let everybody go in front of me. I take, you know, my turns and all that fun stuff. But I'm here to share with you guys what I had. Now, I did 4 transactions, and I'll get to that when I get to it. But the one deal that I was super excited for is the cereal deal. And the second thing is my store actually had cereal in stock. So the cereal was $1.99. Now there was some printable coupons for $1 off of 2. There was also a digital coupon for $1 off of 2. But I checked my inserts from last week and we actually got $1.50 off of 3. So I ended up using those 2 coupons, the $2.50, and then I also had a 2 off of 8 cereal, hi Paris, that I wanted to use. But they had this deal where if you spend 20, you get a $5 extra care buck. So I'm like, okay, I don't need that much cereal, plus my store didn't have very much. So I ended up buying 7 boxes of cereal for $1.99. I will have a printable breakdown for you guys because I'm not in a hurry. Last week I went to a concert, didn't get home till super late, but today I will be having a printable breakdown for you guys. So I ended up doing the 7 boxes of cereal for $1.99, and I used 2 $1.50 off 3 coupons, and then I used a 2 off of 8 CRT. Then I ended up getting more of these super coffees, you guys. Like, my store sucks at keeping stuff in stock, but they really are just keeping strong at the super coffees, unless I'm the only one that's buying them. But these were actually $3.29, but they're on sale for buy 2, you get 1 free. So that came out to be like $6.60 or something like that. So altogether it came to like $20 and something cents. So what I ended up doing is using the $1.50 off of 3 and then the 2 off of 8. I paid $15.51 for 3 bottles of the super coffee and 7 boxes of the cereal. You got $5 back when you got up to $20 of extra care bucks. And I did actually separate these because I had a 4 off of 40 CRT. And you, unless you're going to buy, and so I didn't want to mix and match. So I ended up doing this, just the cereal by itself. And I used this as a separate I used this in my 4 off of 40 transaction. Just because I didn't have any coupons or anything to it, and it doesn't matter because they you know, log it on your receipt. So that's what I did. But anyways, you get $2 back with Aisle. If you guys don't know what Aisle is, we've been really talking about it. Aisle, it's a lot of health foods, like foods that are good for you. But basically what you do is it's a texting program that you text your receipt. Usually they'll get back to you right away. And then, but beforehand you used to get your money like right away. Now it could take a couple days, but they will tell you if you got approved or not. I do have a video, just type in Aisle DesignerJen and it explains everything that you guys need to know. But you get $2 back for every super coffee that you buy, so I'll get $6 back from Aisle for the super coffee. So my grand total came to $4.51, or just 45 cents each. 45 cents each for 10 items. 10 items. I think that's a great deal. And I love General Mills. I love General Mills more than I love the Kellogg's cereal. So I didn't bring all my cereal downstairs because I keep it just right up on my landing. But I could not go wrong with 45-cent cereal. I mean, usually those boxes are like 3 or 4 breakfasts or whatever. So I got those. I was super excited for it. My husband really likes the super coffee. So got that. There is a deal with Ibotta. If you guys haven't done that, I've already maxed mine out. So if you do have that, there's a Ibotta deal for $1 off of 2, so that's an even better deal. But I said I maxed mine out, so couldn't do that. I ended up doing the L'Oreal Age Perfect, and then I got this L'Oreal facial cream. I actually use this. This is the stuff I use in the shower, and I have used this stuff too. This is $26.49, $26.49, and this was $4.99. And when I started scanning the products, nothing was popping up for any of the CRTs that I was using. I think it was just like some kind of glitch or something. But when I went on the CVS website, it showed that these items had the CRTs, so it was just weird. But I used a $4 off digital coupon. I also had a printable, but I used the digital because it came off. $4 off digital, and then there is a $2 off digital one that was working for this one. I had two $6 off Age Perfect CRTs. I got one this week and I got one last week. And then I also had a 5 off of 15 L'Oreal facial. So my total came to $8.48. But when you spend $30, you get a $10 extra care buck, making this a $1.52 moneymaker. I got these both for free, and these are products that I love. Funny thing is, I checked my receipt, and I'm so happy I checked my receipt, and I'm so happy that I just did this in one transaction because I was using the 5 off of 15, and I didn't want to combine that with the 4 off of 40. My CRT never printed. It said it only worked for this one. It said it didn't even qualify. This didn't even qualify. Now the ad does say any L'Oreal facial product, and I swear it said that online. So make sure you guys are checking your receipt because she actually had to print me off a $10 extra care buck because this one wasn't catching. I don't know what was going on, but it wasn't catching. So make sure you guys check that out. So yeah, I'm so happy I caught it. I'm happy I caught it because usually half the time I don't because I'm just like, you know. Anyways, I got Paparazzi nail polish. Now, some of these were on clearance for $1.49 and some of them are two for $5. So these two colors, I got this pretty purple. My daughter's now into nail polish. And then I got this like grayish color. These were 2 for $5. If you bought 2 of these, you get a $4 extra care buck, making these each $1.50 each. But I had a CRT that I got. I had a $3 off of 7 CRT. So I ended up buying the 2 for $5, and then I bought 2 at the $1.49 price. Use that 3 off of 7, it came to $4.98 for 4 of these. But you get that $4 extra care buck for purchasing the regular 2. So it comes out to be 98 cents for 4 of them, or just 24 cents. So I thought this is basically the same deal, same price, you know, but I get 4 of them instead of the 2 of them. So I did that. I ended up doing the Irish Spring. My husband really likes this Ultimate Wake Up. I don't think Walgreens sells this, or my Walgreens does not sell this. But these were $3.99. I used a $1 off insert coupon and a $1 off digital coupon. I had a 2 off of 2 Irish Spring CRT. Paid $3.96 for the both of these. Or $3.98 for the both of these. But you get $2 back when you buy one. So I got $4 back in an extra care buck, making these both for free, or like a 4-cent moneymaker. So yes, if you guys need to do that. And then I got a couple more things. Like, I was so excited for this haul today. Like, everything turned out perfect except that the $10 CRT did not, or the $10 extra care buck, but that is okay. So I ended up getting the Ajax soap. This was $2.89. It is buy one get one 50% off. You'd pay $4.33 for this. But you get a $2 extra care buck when you buy 2 of them. It comes out to be just $2.33 or $1.16 each, which is an okay deal if you guys need some Ajax. And these are the big soap bottles. So yeah, I ended up getting the Colgate toothpaste. These were $7, or 2 for $7.98. They've been doing this deal a lot in the ad. I think this is the 3rd time that they've been doing it, but you get a $7.98 off a 2 digital coupon. You use that coupon, you guys would just get these for free. Some of your stores might have to, you might have to pay for tax. Some of them you don't, but can't go wrong with toothpaste. And that's a rule. You should really never pay for toothpaste. But there are deals where you do pay for toothpaste, but when you factor in all the other things, sometimes it comes out to be a moneymaker, so you still got it for free. So I ended up getting the Skintimate shaving cream. These were 2 for $6. I used a $1 off insert coupon, and I used a $1 off digital coupon. You'd pay $4 for the both of these, but you get a $2 extra care buck when you buy 2 of them. So these come out to be just $2 or $1 each. Some of your guys' Ibotta might have an edge. Edge for $1. Mine did not. I have a 2-pack of the edge, which didn't count. So yeah, I just letting you guys know that. And then I ended up getting some razors. These were $5.99. You want to buy 3 of them. I used 2 paper coupons and I used 1 digital coupon for $4 off. You'd pay $5.97 for these, but you get a $5 extra care buck back, making these just 97 cents or 32 cents each, which is a great deal. Okay, I'm just having problems today. But anyways, I did 4 transactions. 1 because I had the 3 off 7 CRT. Another one I had a 5 off of, I don't want to flick you guys up. Another one I had a 5 off of 15. Another one I had a 2 off of 8. And the other one I had a 4 off of 40. I just thought I'm just going to do these all in separate transactions because then I can just continually roll in my extra care bucks, because usually I'll just give them all of it and then I pay a little bit more out of pocket. So I'm like, okay, we're just going to use, but I didn't have to do that, so I was super happy. So my grand total after you factor everything my total came to $4.25 for all 4 transactions. I did end up using $38 of extra care bucks, but I did receive $32 back, making it $10.25, but I will be getting $6 back with aisle for buying 3 of these super coffees. So my grand total was $4.25. I got 27 items at 15 cents each. I will take it. If I can get a box of cereal at 15 cents, I will take it. I will take it because I absolutely love cereal. I know you guys know I love cereal. But that is what I wanted to share with you guys. I am pretty happy with my haul. Very excited. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I want to thank you guys for watching. I am so close from hitting 50,000 subscribers. It's crazy. 50,000 subscribers. When I do hit that, I will be doing some giveaways. So I know a lot of you guys have been really wanting those reusable bags that I use. So I'm definitely going to start I'm going to start pairing those up and giving away those. I have a ton of them. So pretty excited for that. Again, thanks for watching. There will be a printable breakdown below. And then at the end of the video, I don't know what direction I'm going, but at the end of the video, I will have all the pictures of the CRTs that I used so you guys can see what I used. Again, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.